Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video, and I got something special for y'all today. Today we're going to do a giveaway, and we're also going to do an update of the KP Sling Bag. Now, shout out to everybody who watched my videos. Y'all remember the KP Sling Bag. This is sick. But if you didn't see that video, let me give you a little backstory behind it. Now, my man Brian is one of my subscribers. Shout out to Brian. He reached out to me and told me that he was starting his own company. Now, anybody that knows me, anybody that watches my channel, y'all know I support all small businesses. I support anybody hustling, anybody trying to, come up with their own stuff. I support that. So Brian reached out to me, asked me, can he send me some prototype bags? Can I show them on the channel? And I'll try to help people, go to his Kickstarter link. And I said, fine, I could do that, but there's only one problem. If I don't like the bag, I'm not making a video. I can't make a video on something I don't like. So he said, don't worry about it. I'll send you the prototypes. Let me know what you think. Fast forward, got the prototypes in the mail, and I ain't gonna lie, I was definitely surprised. Judging by the pictures, I thought it was gonna be a fanny pack, but when I got it in the mail, it's kind of sick. It's kind of sick. So, fast forward now to today, I get a letter from KP, from Brian over at KP Sling, and let me read it to y'all. All right, it says, Dear Flossy, thank you so much for your continued support of Keep Pursuing and the KP Sling Bag. All right, Keep Pursuing is the name of the company. This is the KP Sling Bag. All right, here's the final version of the bag, which has a ton of improvements from the prototype that we sent you, including, now this is the improvements, you got loop locks for added security, you got rubber guards for the hook plates, and you got better material quality for both the bags and the zippers. All right, so these are the prototype bags, got the official tissue ones right here. Now, this is where the giveaway part comes into play. All right, pay attention, y'all. Feel free to give away 5 bags on your channel and just send us the winners. Send us the winners' information, and we will mail them out for you. All right, see that for yourself. All right, feel free to give away 5 bags on your channel, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. All right, so happy holidays to everybody out there. This is the rules for this contest. All right, you don't have to subscribe to my channel. You don't have to like the video. You don't have to do nothing. This is all you got to do, though, if you want to win one of these 5 bags. All right, this is what you got to do. In the comments section, just leave your biggest sob story on why you need a free bag. Now, keep in mind, feel free to troll. You can troll as much as you want. It doesn't have to be a real sob story. I'm just looking to get a laugh. All right, when I pull out my phone and I look at the comments, I want to laugh. So if I was you, I would say something like, I got 5 kids with 6 baby mamas. I had ramen noodles under my tree for Christmas. Whatever. Think of your biggest sob story. Leave it in the comments. The first 5 people that make me laugh, I'll wait till about maybe New Year's. Maybe New Year's during the Amazon Warrior stream, I'll announce the 5 winners. Y'all send me your email information. I send it over to Brian and hit you off with one of these bags. Now, if you're not into contests, a lot of people just don't like contests and all that. I do got a discount code. I do got a discount code. Listen to this. Okay, now this is part of the letter. We set up a special coupon code on keeppursuing.com, which is Flossy10. I'll leave that in the description. That's Flossy, Flossy 10, 10. Flossy10, that'll give you 10% off. If you don't care about the contest and all of that, you don't really have time for giveaways, you want the bag tomorrow, use the code Flossy10 and you get 10% off. All right, so shout out to Brian. This is what I like to see. Now, they did the Kickstarter program. I think their goal was $200,000, and they tripled that. So people are buying the bags, people are loving them, including me. All right, this is a serious bag right here. All right, so shout out to Brian on the letter. Happy holidays, I appreciate that. Now let me show y'all the website real quick, just in case you want to buy this right now. Go to keeppursuing.com. All right, I'll throw the link up in the description. All right, so y'all see, this is the sling bag. Let's just go through this real quick. You got the secret compartment. Watch my original video when I stuffed the bag with a whole bunch of tech gadgets. You see it for yourself. I'll leave that in the description too. But if you didn't see that, you got a secret compartment. This is the updated version. You got the zipper loop lock. I hold your zipper down. Now, one thing I love about this bag, it's weatherproof. All right, so the bag is waterproof and weatherproof. Quality materials. All right, look at the hooks. Look at the hooks on this. We'll look at that in a second. Quality materials. Now, let's go through the chart real quick. You got a removable shoulder pad or sunglasses holder. You got seatbelt grade shoulder strap, right, made out of the same materials that they make seatbelts. You got a zipper loop lock, heavy duty zipper puller. You got a secret compartment for the stash, for the contraband. You got a heavy duty zipper puller, 100% water resistant. 100% water resistant. Got the YKK zipper. Old school cats know what that is. Got a metal hook plate for attachments. PU leather accents. Now, why PU as opposed to regular leather? Well, PU leather is synthetic and it's also waterproof. All right, so it's cheaper to make and it's waterproof. Now, if they use real leather, they have to jack up the price for the bag. So I'm glad they didn't do that. Now, you got zinc alloy hardwares. You got your electronics compartment. All right, so a bunch of different pockets, compartments, all kind of stuff. They got a little demo on the website. Check that out for yourself. Now, this is what I really like about this bag, which separates it from a fanny pack. If y'all remember, a lot of people in the comments was like, wait a minute, isn't that just like a glorified fanny pack? And the answer is, it's similar to a fanny pack, but it's more like a manny pack, like a man pack. This is a fanny pack 2.0 upgrade. All right, this has the shoulder strap, so you don't have to wear it around your waist looking like a tourist. You don't have to do that. You got the water resistant finish. Now here go the colors. So they got some new colors now. So you got jet black with the orange interior. You got army green with the orange interior. You got the platinum camo. That's this one right here with the orange interior. You got jet black with the royal blue interior. You got khaki with the sky blue interior. And you got the woodland camo with the sky blue interior. Now you also have some accessories. Now these will come with your bag. You get the protective pouch. I actually, once I got the pouch, this bag right here, I just got it full right now with a whole bunch of micro USB cables and auxiliary cables and iPhone charger wires. So this is my new wires bag. Works perfect for that. That's not what it's intended for, but it works for that. You can buy extra waist strap. Here goes all the specs and the dimensions. Check all that stuff out for yourself. And if you see for yourself, here's the Kickstarter campaign. Over 2,100 backers, pledging close to $200,000. All right, so now let me show you the price real quick. All right, now, basically 65 bucks. All right, so the jet black orange, 65, army green, 65, 65, all 65 bucks. All right, so 65 bucks for an official bag. Now, let me give y'all a quick little story. Now, I said the same story before, but if you didn't see that video, I'll tell you again real quick. When I went to Great Adventures with my daughter and her moms, you know, I don't like to carry around too many bags. So when I went to Great Adventures with them, when my daughter's mom came outside, she had an official fanny pack, the old school one, the old school official fanny pack, and she was wearing it around her waist looking like a tourist. So you know, me and my daughter, we had to roast her for that. We had to clown her, you know, and she was like, all right, we'll see who's going to get the last laugh. That's all she kept saying, we'll see who's going to get the last laugh. And we roasted her all the way to Great Adventures, all the way through the entrance of the park, right up until the moment it was time to get on that first ride. Now, as soon as it's time to get on the ride, I think it was King Kai we went on first. I got to take out 2 of my cell phones, take off my watch, take off my sunglasses. My daughter got her phone. She got her watch. She got all her stuff with her. We don't got nowhere to put it. So now we looking at my daughter's mom's like, can you hold this in your fanny pack? And she was like, yeah, okay, sure. And she put it in the fanny pack and did that for the rest of the day. Every time we got on the ride, every time we got something we didn't feel like carrying, put it in that fanny pack. And at the end of the day, I had to respect her because she did get the last laugh. If we didn't have that fanny pack, we would have been asked out. So a week after that, I got the prototype bags in the mail. So I took this one with me to Coney Island. All right, Coney Island is an amusement park in Brooklyn, little small hood joint. Took this one to Coney Island with me and fell in love with it that day. Now I was wearing it around my shoulder, you know, not wearing it around my waist, but I had 3 phones in here, had my battery charge in here, had all my contraband, had a bottle of water. You know, I had everything, my wallet, everything is in here, zipped up, and I could wear this in the front. So this way, now if you go to hood places, you don't want to wear this on your back. Somebody can sneak up behind you, unzip it if it's too crowded, but you can wear this around the front. So I had this around the front, all of my stuff in here, I had on sweatpants, now my pockets is empty. Fell in love with that. Then I started using this bag at the gym. If you can see, I got some cat hairs on it. Xerxes been using it as a bed for the last couple of days. But I use this in the gym all the time too. This is a quality bag right here. All right, so let's check out the updated version real quick. These are the prototypes. Now let's look at the updated version real quick. This is the one that y'all gonna get if y'all got a good sob story, or if y'all just want to cop this, then go out and cop this and get that 10% off. All right, so basically the same shape. Let's open this up. All right, inside here goes some straps. Now see, this is what I'm saying. Look at the quality on this. These are heavy duty hooks. Okay, now y'all know when y'all read information from websites, they always say the same thing. Heavy duty this, quality this, premium this. And a lot of times it just be regular, regular stuff. It don't be nothing fancy. This is really heavy duty though. All right, really heavy duty. Haven't had any problems with that. Let's see what's in here. Now look inside the bag. You see you got your cell phone pocket right here. Drop a little cell phone right in there. You got some mesh pockets. That's the key to this. Pockets, 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 pockets everywhere. Pockets and little stash spots everywhere. Now you got the little contact information right there. See, look at the zipper. Little branding on the zipper. But this is what I'm saying. Attention to detail. All right, attention to detail. This is a quality zipper. And you got your little, you stick this in the hole after you zip it. Here it is right here to keep your zippers from flapping around all over the place. Just stick it right in there. All right, stick it right in that hole. More pockets on the back. All right, look, secret. You see, secret pocket on top. Let's see. All right, so that's the secret stash. That's the stash spot right there. All right, so hold that down. Overall, this is a hot bag. Now, I know a lot of cats in the comment section, they're going to say, I could just go out and get a fanny pack, from the flea market for $20. Yeah, you can. You could do that. Me, I wouldn't be caught dead or alive wearing a fanny pack. Under no circumstances. I'll just have everything in my hands. But when you get something like this is more like those bags you see the bike messengers wear, and they're wearing it on the back. Now, even I tried just for fun. If you take a regular fanny pack and drapes it over your shoulder, it ain't the same effect. It's gonna look whack. You gotta remember, this also has a waist strap. All right, so you have a shoulder strap and then a separate strap that goes around your waist. So if you're mountain biking or you're doing some running exercises outside, some really active stuff, this bag ain't gonna move. Like I said, I use this in the gym all the time. Now, when I put the waist strap on, I like to let it hang a little loose, not too tight, but it keeps the bag in that exact spot on my back. And if I'm using my ludicrous Soul headphones that's not Bluetooth, have my iPod right in the bag, and it stays just like that. All right, so the bag is quality. Bag does work. This is a look at the camo version. All right, some company branding right here. Nice little stitching. All right, pay attention to the stitching. Weatherproof, waterproof. Beautiful, all around beauty right here. All right, so hit me up in the comments. All right, let me know your sob story if you want to enter this contest. And like I said, feel free to exaggerate, lie, whatever you want. Whatever you want to have. Let me see how I can phrase this. Let's just say troll. All right, you could troll me as much as you want. I want to hear your biggest sob story. And when I do the Amazon Warrior New Year's live stream, I'll pick out the 5 funniest stories or the 5 sobbiest sob stories, and y'all cats will get a free bag. Now, I don't care if you rich like Donald Trump. Just come out with a sob story if you want a free bag. If not, use the code Flossy10 and get your little 10% off. That's still savings, yo. Savings. Any savings is better than no savings in my book. All right, so hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Like I said, I'm certifying this. Now, not only because Brian is my dude, one of my subscribers. That's not the reason why I'm certifying this. I'm certifying this because this is a 100% win. All right, this is a 100% win. Now, I got 40s. I got 40s. So 2 of these I'm going to give away. I'm going to give away to 2 of my brothers. I got to keep the green and the camo. I'm going to use the black one for the gym. I'm going to use the camo when I'm outside doing my hood activities. Anyway. Shout out to everybody that rock with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the Amazon Warrior on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. All right, this is the Instagram if y'all want to come through. If you see my page, you see it's 100% jokes. All right, no sensitivity allowed. Oh yeah, one more thing. 2 more things, actually. Happy holidays. I hope everybody had a good Christmas, a good Kwanzaa, a good Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, a good Festivus, whatever holiday you celebrate. Hope you was having fun and being safe. Shout out to everybody that's going to come through on New Year's. Y'all know we're going to get crazy. And real quick, now, I did 2 PlayStation live streams. That was just for fun. I was just having a little bit of fun. The second stream I had to delete off YouTube because, shout out to everybody in the stream chat. Y'all had me playing all that Biggie Smalls and Tupac and all that. So YouTube shut that down with the copyrights immediately. I could have left the video up, but it would have had no sound. So it didn't make no sense. So I just deleted that one. But everybody that was there for that PS4 live stream, I had a lot of fun doing that. If y'all want to do that again, hit me up in the comments, and we'll pick a different game. Mortal Kombat is only, is only fun for a certain amount of time playing the computer by yourself. So if y'all want to do some Grand Theft Auto, y'all want to do some Destiny, Call of Duty, whatever, we could do that. Now, I'm just giving y'all fair warning. I'm trashing all those other games. And maybe except Grand Theft Auto, we'll have some fun. I do got Forza. I got Need for Speed. I mean, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if y'all want to do that again, though. I had a lot of fun making that video, chilling with y'all live on the PS4. I would rather be more interactive, though, if maybe we do something like Grand Theft. Maybe I'll try to pull out my Grand Theft tonight. And depending on how the comments flow, we'll try that again. And one more thing now. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss. I'm out. Deuces.